Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss CV 2023-32434, a vulnerability in the XNU kernel that was recently discovered and fixed in iOS May 1st 16 and macOS April 1st 13. This vulnerability was reachable from the Web Content Sandbox, and it is believed that it might have been actively exploited. As per the timeline, this CVE was discovered in iOS 16.3 and was patched in iOS May 1st 16, while in macOS it was present in versions 13.1 and 13.4, and was fixed in April 1st 13. Our team has successfully tested this exploit on various Apple devices, such as the iPhone 14 Pro Max running on iOS 16.3, March 1st 16, 16.4, and 16.5, as well as on a MacBook Air M2 2022 running on macOS 13.1 and 13.4. This exploit uses the Kernel File Descriptor Project, or KFD for short, which allows for reading and writing of kernel memory on Apple devices. This is achieved through multiple integer overflows that were present in the XNU kernel. It is worth noting that this CVE fixed multiple integer overflows, making it unclear whether or not the specific one used in this exploit was also used in the wild. And if it was, there is a possibility that it was not exploited in the same way. Our team has been working hard to develop this exploit, and we are excited to share it with the community. However, we would like to remind everyone that this exploit is for educational purposes only and should not be used for any malicious activities. We hope that this information was helpful in understanding the vulnerability and its patch. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates from us in the future. Please tap on the subscribe button and hit bell icon for more updates. This is KCUK Tech signing off.